Don't do a rep of 100k on Smith machine and see how big you go straight away.
I will do 100k on
Walk for a drink. I put my jumper back on to walk for a drink, mate.
Get veins in arms.
Horrible. It's only because I've lost even more body fat than what I didn't have before.
Yeah, it is. Body, you want one more of you? No.
But I'm depleted. Look at that. Still popping out.
I could get big again easy. It's all still there. Weekend off, it's the world.
Never test this today.
I can't wait. Log cabin. Oh, Creamfields about that. 150. Log cabin. Nice one. Wake up in the morning. Being off your head. Nice shower. Bang. Standing.
Camping.